Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another useful and informative video which is about how to use split screen on any iPhone. So first of all, I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest videos, so do not waste any time. First of all, fix this issue. So how to use split screen on any iPhone? So first of all, you have open the App Store on your iPhone. So you have, my iPhone is not connected to internet. Wait a few seconds, I will connect the my iPhone with internet connections. So you have connect the internet connection your iPhone. So then you have open the App Store. So then you have, wait a few seconds, you have search split screen on iPhone. Then we have searched the split screen. Wait a few seconds, then you have seen my iPhone screen is loading. So you have a split screen on iPhone. You have searching the wait a few seconds, the internet connection is not available. So you have I have downloaded split screen app on my iPhone. So then you have, I preview the split screen option, so you have available on your iPhone. So you have how to use. So then you have two webcast. Any time you have first webcast, you have play the Google, then second you have play the YouTube. Then you have used in this way you have to use the split screen on your iPhone. So then you have, while the uh, Google and YouTube, then sometimes you have used the on your iPhone. So I will go back from App Store. So then you have split screen search. Then you have second number option is split screen download on your iPhone. So then you have 100% working on your iPhone. So hopefully guys, after watching this video you will all know. If you have any problems, so please let me know in the comments box.